Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do 3 quick hairstyles that take just 1 minute to recreate. We're going to start with this low messy bun. To start, pop the hair into a low ponytail. Then we're just going to lift up a strand of that elastic band and pop 2 fingers through. Take the ponytail and wrap it around the top of your thumb and grab it with the finger above. Then pull it all the way through that elastic band. We're going to do it one more time, so pop your finger and thumb through a strand of the elastic band, pop that ponytail over your thumb and pull it through, but this time only bring it about halfway. So you should have 3 little loops. And we're just going to pinch and pull each loop to make them more voluminous. And then I like to just anchor those to the head with a couple of bobby pins. Then pinch and pull the hair at the crown. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. Moving on to hairstyle number 2, we've got a really easy twisted chignon. To start, pop the hair into a low ponytail using an elastic band. Next, twist that ponytail in one direction, making it nice and tight. And holding on to the middle, I'm going to take the very ends and put them on top of the elastic band. Then just flip that little circle over towards the head. And then take your hand on the right hand side, holding on to the left, give that right hand a half turn. So it makes a figure of 8 shape. Then secure all the way around the outside of that bun with as many bobby pins as needed. The bun will hold better if you leave your bobby pins closed. Then just fix everything in place with some Stronghold hairspray. And here's the finished look. I love how elegant this one is. If you're new to my channel or just find yourself keep coming back, don't forget to subscribe. Then moving on to the third and final hairstyle, we've got this lovely tucked updo. To start, leave a little hair out to frame the face on both sides and pop the hair into a low ponytail. Then make a hole behind the elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through that hole. Pass your ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through to create a twist. Then we're going to put those fingers back through that same hole again, grab the ponytail and pull it through one more time. If your hair's longer, you can keep wrapping it until you run out of hair. Now grab each side of that loop we've just made and pull them in opposite directions to spread it out, and secure all along the top and side with as many bobby pins as needed. Then pinch and pull the hair at the crown for a little bit of volume. Then pinch and pull little pieces of the bun for some more messy texture. With the tail ends, just wrap them around an open bobby pin and tuck them underneath the bun. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know which was your favourite hairstyle in the comment section below.